Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll error code P-4. Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and quick way to fix it. First, check your Wi-Fi is working properly. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, switch to mobile data, or if your mobile data not work properly, switch to Wi-Fi. After switching, reopen the Crunchyroll app and try again. Next, completely close the Crunchyroll app, swipe up to see your recent app, find Crunchyroll and swipe it away to close it. Now open the app again and check if the error is fixed. Next, you can reset your phone or device, turn it off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll and try playing a video. You can also check for the update. For that, go to Apple Store or Play Store. Search for Crunchyroll and make sure it's fully updated. An outdated app can cause error code -4. Open Crunchyroll app, log out your account, close the app, then open it again and log in back in. This refreshes your account connection, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.